right, we have made it to your final honors geometry review video. We're doing number 60, not 16. Well, that'd be a short review if it was only 16. Number 60 says, use indirect reasoning to explain why a quadrilateral can have no more than 3 obtuse angles. Remember, for indirect reasoning, you have 3 steps. For your first one, you're going to assume the opposite. So we're going to say assume a quadrilateral, I'm just going to write quad, has 3 or more obtuse angles. Oh wait, sorry. It says no more than 3, so we're going to say actually just more than 3. All right, for my second step, we want to come up with a reason that this can't be true. Here's what I know about quadrilaterals, and you may not know this, but you will learn it eventually, is that the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral equals 180. So sum of your quadrilateral, I said 180, I meant 360, angles equals 360. So now if I have more than 3 obtuse angles, let's remember what an obtuse angle is. It's anything bigger than 90. So let's say I have 4 angles and they're all 91 degrees. So we have 91 plus 91 plus 91 plus 91. If we add those together, we end up getting 360, 4 degrees, which is greater than 360. So we're going to say that this is a contradiction. And it's a contradiction because the sum of the angles would be greater than 180. Now for your last step, you have to assume your original statement, or not assume, but say therefore. So my last step, I'm going to say therefore, and then restate my original statement. Remember, these 3 dots mean therefore. So therefore, a quadrilateral can have no more than 3 obtuse angles. And you're good to go. Thank you for watching all these videos, or however many you did. Congratulations on making it to the end. Good luck on your final. I have all the faith in the world that you'll do great, and happy studying.